Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Pinterest business account, beginner guide step by step clearly. To activate a Pinterest business account, start by visiting the Pinterest website. In the top right corner, click on the join button. You will see options to sign up with an email or use an existing social media account. Choose your preferred method to create your account. If you select email, enter your email address, a password, and your age. Then, click Continue. Next, Pinterest will ask about your business. Select the option that best describes your type of business. After that, choose the language and country for your account. Once you've filled out the information, click Next. Pinterest will prompt you to confirm your account. Check your email inbox for a confirmation email from Pinterest. Click on the confirmation link in the email to verify your account. After confirming your email, return to the Pinterest homepage. Log in using your email and password to access your account. Once logged in, click on the profile icon in the top right corner. In the drop-down menu, select Settings. Scroll down until you find the option to switch to a business account. Click on the Switch to a Business Account button. You'll need to fill out your business information, including your business name and website. Additionally, select your business type from the provided options. After entering the required details, click on the Next button. Pinterest may ask you to customize your business profile. This includes uploading a profile picture and adding a short bio. Once you're satisfied with your profile details, click Done. Congratulations, you have now activated your Pinterest business account. Start exploring the features available to promote your business effectively. Familiarize yourself with Pinterest analytics and ads for further growth. Engage with your audience by creating visually appealing pins. Utilize boards to organize your content and attract your target market. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.